another session of learning fun quizzes. Synonyms in English. Review all the vocabulary to get the most out of this quiz. Number one, he has a very blank attitude toward life. A, negative. B, optimistic. C, doubtful. D, gloomy. Answer is letter B. He has a very optimistic attitude toward life. Number two, she was able to blank the situation with a calm tone. So the keyword is handle. A, ignore. B, manage. C, escalate. D, delay. Answer is letter B. She was able to manage the situation with a calm tone. Number three, he tried to blank the answer from the notes he had. The keyword is guess. A, infer. B, define. C, ignore. D, overlook. Answer is letter A. He tried to infer the answer from the notes he had. Number four, they blanked their daughter for her hard work. So the keyword is praise. A, commended. B, disciplined. C, blamed. D, condoned. Answer is letter A. They commended their daughter for her hard work. Number five, her dress was blank for the occasion. The keyword is appropriate. A, inappropriate. B, casual. C, suitable. D, fancy. Answer is letter C. Her dress was suitable for the occasion. Number six, we should blank the rules of the game before starting. The keyword is explain. A, question. B, clarify. C, confuse. D, complicate. Answer is letter B. We should clarify the rules of the game before starting. Number seven, the weather was blank yesterday. The keyword is pleasant. A, awful. B, nice. C, stormy. D, freezing. Answer is letter B. The weather was nice yesterday. Number eight, his work was blanked by the manager. The keyword is appreciated. A, ignored. B, discouraged. C, valued. D, dislike. Answer is letter C. His work was valued by the manager. Number nine, she was blanked to join the group. The keyword is invited. A, excluded. B, refused. C, welcomed. D, ignored. Answer is letter C. She was welcomed to join the group. Number 10. They were asked to blank in the meeting. The keyword is participate. A, withdraw. B, join. C, distract. D, avoid. Answer is letter B. They were asked to join in the meeting. Number 11. The plan was blanked by everyone involved. The keyword is agreed. A, accepted. B, opposed. C, ignored. D, dismissed. Answer is letter A. The plan was accepted by everyone involved. Number 12. The teacher had to blank the instructions for the students. The keyword is repeat. A, shorten. B, reiterate. C, disregard. D, combine. Answer is letter B. The teacher had to reiterate the instructions for the students. 13. They agreed to blank the new project next month. The keyword is start. A, initiate. B, abandon. C, conclude. D, ignore. Answer is letter A. They agreed to initiate the new project next month. Number 14. The lake was so blank that it looked like a mirror. Keyword is calm. A. Rough. B. Noisy. C. Tranquil. D. Shiny. Answer is letter C. The lake was so tranquil that it looked like a mirror. Number 15. She was blank by the surprise party her friends planned. The keyword is touch. A. Irritated. B. Moved. C. Annoyed. D. Offended. Answer is letter B. She was moved by the surprise party her friends planned. Number 16. She tried to blank the news to her friend gently. The keyword is tell. A. Hide. B. Convey. C. Avoid. D. Refuse. Answer is letter B. She tried to convey the news to her friend gently. Number 17. She gave a blank answer to the question. The keyword is short. A. Lengthy. B. Confusing. C. Brief. D. Unclear. Answer is letter C. She gave a brief answer to the question. Number 18. They managed to blank the problem quickly. Keyword is solved. A. Resolved. B. Complicate. C. Cause. D. Ignore. Answer is letter A. They managed to resolve the problem quickly. Number 19. The instructions were blank for everyone to follow. Keyword is simple. A. Difficult. B. Advanced. C. Irrelevant. D. Straightforward. Answer is letter D. The instructions were straightforward for everyone to follow. Number 20, last item. She was blank to help him with the task. Keyword is willing. A. Reluctant. B. Discouraged. C. Indifferent. D. Eager. Answer is letter D. She was eager to help him with the task. So this video ends here, and I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this quiz, please subscribe, like, share, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.